Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. To change the volume, you need to use touch area on your left earbud. What located at the back side, right here we have this wheel, this one is touch area. Now I will put it to my ear, then I will play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press one time at your left earbud. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower the volume, you need to press and hold. And as you can see at this widget, I just lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.